वालिदैन, उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। जैसे कि आप सबको पता है कि आजकल पूरी दुनिया में कोरोना वायरस की वबा फैली हुई है, जिसकी वजह से सारे तालीमी इदारे बंद हैं। इसलिए ओरिएंटल पब्लिक स्कूल ने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का अहतमाम किया हुआ है, जिसमें हम वक्तन फ़वक्तन आपको वीडियोस भेजेंगे। मेरी आप सबसे बस इतनी सी दरख्वास्त है कि आप अपने बच्चों के साथ ये काम ज़रूर करवाएं। शुक्रिया। Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine and in good mood. Welcome to class 2. As you know that you are promoted from class 1 to class 2 and this is your science class. So please take out your science books. This is your science book for level 2. The title of this page is New Oxford Primary Science 3rd edition. Look into this one page. This one page called the title page. Can you see what is this? This is fishes. There are some fishes, plants, water, sky, clouds, ship. What are the meaning of these all things on this page? Because this is the science book. And in science, we will study about the nature. And all these things are nature. So, in this book, we will study about the nature. But this ship is not nature. This is man-made. But man used some science to make it. Okay? Okay, student. Now open your book. Okay, students. Now take out page number 2. 1. Ourselves. Unit 1. The human body. This is unit 1. And the name of this unit is the human body. What is the name of this unit? The human body. What is the name of this unit? Class, what is the name of this unit? The human body. In this class, we will discuss and we will learn about the human body. As you know that you already learned about the human body parts names, but in this class, we will learn about its function. That what is the function of each and every part of our body. So let's start. So let's read the first paragraph. Fix your finger on the first line. Fix your finger on the first line and read with me. Human body varies in size and shape. Human body varies in size and shape. What is the meaning of varies? Varies mean different. Varies mean different. Human body varies in size and shape. Okay, students, look around yourself and observe the people around you. They all are different in size and in shape from each other. Look at yourself and then look to your father, your mother, and your sister. They all are different from you in size and also in shape. How they are different from you? They are different from you in size and in shape. Look at yourself and then look to your father. Your father is tall from you and you are short from your father. This is the size difference. Look to your younger sister or brother and then look to yourself. You are tall and your younger brother or sister is short. This is the size difference. Now what is the shape difference? Look at yourself and then look to your mother and your sister, brother or father. They will be different from you in shape. Your face structure, your nose structure and your skin color, your eye color, your hair structure is different from your father, mother, sister or brother. This is the difference between us, that we all are different from each other in size and in shape. Okay, now fix your finger on the second line. People can be tall or short, weak or strong. People can be tall or short, weak or strong. Again, observe the people around you. Some people will be tall and some will be short. Some will be weak and some will be strong. Okay students, now I will show some pictures to you. Look at these pictures. Look at this one man. This one man is tall and this one is short. This one is tall. Look at this one man. This one man is tall from this one. This one man is short from this one man. This is the size difference. That this one man is tall and this one is short. Now you will tell me in this pic which one man is tall and which one is short. Yes, this one man is tall and this one man is short. This is the size difference, that some people are tall and some people are short. Good. Okay students, now look at here. Now I will show you some strong people and some weak people. Look to this one picture. This one boy is strong and this one is weak. How you can say that this one boy is strong and this one is weak? Because this one boy can hold the weight. Look to his arms. He can hold the weight. So this one boy is strong. Okay student, now you will tell me why this boy is weak. Why we call this one boy is weak? Yes, because he can't hold the weight. So this one boy is weak because he can't hold the weights. So this one boy is weak and this one boy is strong. Okay student, now look to this one picture. Now you will tell me which one boy is weak and which one boy is strong. Which one boy is weak and which one is strong? Yes, very good. This one boy is strong and this one boy is weak. But how you can say that this one boy is strong and this one boy is weak? Yes, very good. Because his muscles are strong. So this one boy is strong and this one boy muscles are weak. So this one boy is weak. It's clear to all of you? Very good. Okay class, the next one line is, but all human beings have similar body parts. But all human beings have similar body parts. Our bodies have many parts. Okay, students, as you know that we all have similar body parts. Okay, students, look at to these pictures. They all have similar body parts. Look at this one boy, they have two eyes. Look at this one, they also have two eyes, two eyes, two eyes. Observe the all pigs. They all have two eyes and one nose. Look at this one boy, this one, this one, this one. All these have one nose, two eyes, one head, one mouth, two lips, two ears, two arms, two legs. Each and every body part are similar, but they are just different in size and in shape. It's clear to all of you? Very good. Now observe yourself and then look to your family. Look to your father and your mother, sister and brother. You have only one nose. Your mother also have one nose. You have only one mouth. Your mother also have one mouth. Observe the whole body of yourself and then look to your mother, father, brother, sister. We all have similar body parts. Understand? Very good. ओके स्टूडेंट्स दिस इज टुडेज लेसन एंड आई होप कि आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा एंजॉय भी किया होगा क्योंकि ये हमारे साथ रिलेटेड है और हम इसको अपनी आंखों से देख सकते हैं सो प्लीज रिवाइज इट in home and with your parents. If there is any confusion, then you can ask from me on WhatsApp. Now, please note your homework. You will draw. Now your homework is that you will draw some pictures of different size and shape of people in your notebook and then you will send it to me on WhatsApp and I will check it and I will give the feedback of all your drawings. Thank you.